So you heard about SoFi's crazy high APY? Here's the lowdown. Let's face it, these days finding a decent return on your savings feels like searching for a four-leaf clover. Traditional banks are offering rates that barely keep pace with inflation, leaving your hard-earned cash slowly withering away. But then you stumble across SoFi, this new-age financial tech company, waving a metaphorical flag that screams 4.6% APY on your savings. Hold on, isn't that a typo? Is there a catch? Well, buckle up, because in this video, we're going to dissect the magic behind SoFi's seemingly unbelievable interest rates. We'll explore how they make it work, the requirements you need to meet, and see if it's the right fit for your financial goals. SoFi, banking reimagined. SoFi isn't your grandpa's brick-and-mortar bank. They're a completely online platform offering a suite of financial products, including student loan refinancing, investing, and yes, high-yield savings accounts. Unlike traditional banks that rely on a network of physical branches, SoFi cuts down on overhead costs. This allows them to offer more competitive interest rates on deposits, a win for us, the savers. But here's the thing, SoFi doesn't offer this sky-high APY to everyone. There are a few hoops you gotta jump through to unlock that juicy 4.6%. The key to cracking the code, meeting the requirements. So, how do you snag that top-tier APY? Here's where things get interesting. SoFi offers two main ways to qualify. Direct deposit, this is their preferred method. If you set up a recurring direct deposit from your employer, payroll provider, or benefits provider, you automatically unlock the 4.6% APY on your entire savings balance. Qualifying deposits don't have a direct deposit option? No worries. You can still qualify by making one or more deposits totaling $5,000 or more within a 30-day period. This can be done through ACH transfers, wire transfers, or even peer-to-peer transfers from services like Venmo. The not-so-fine print, what you need to know. Now, before you race off to open a SoFi account, let's address the not-so-fine print. Here are some things to keep in mind. Maintaining the requirements, it's not a one-time thing. To keep the 4.6% APY, you need to maintain those qualifying deposits every 30 days. If you miss a month, your APY drops to a much lower 1.2%. Limited free ATM withdrawals. SoFi reimburses ATM fees only up to $5 per month. So, if you're an ATM warrior, this might not be the best option for you. It's an online platform. If you crave the personal touch of a physical branch, SoFi might not be your cup of tea. All communication and account management happen online. Is SoFi's high APY right for you? So, the big question, should you jump on the SoFi bandwagon? Here's a breakdown to help you decide. Ideal for savers who prioritize high returns and are comfortable managing their finances online. People with access to direct deposit or the ability to make regular qualifying deposits will benefit the most. Less ideal for those who frequently rely on ATM withdrawals and prefer the in-person banking experience. Savers with small balances might not find the effort of maintaining qualifying deposits worthwhile. SoFi's high APY is definitely a breath of fresh air in a landscape of stagnant interest rates. However, it's not a one-size-fits-all solution. Consider your financial habits and priorities before diving in. If you're a tech-savvy saver who prioritizes maximizing returns, SoFi could be a game-changer. But if you value the traditional banking experience and easy access to cash, there might be a better fit out there. Ultimately, the choice is yours. Do your research, weigh the pros and cons, and see if SoFi's high APY unlocks the key to your financial goals. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.